In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Microsoft Edge browser so you can make it look better, feel more comfortable, and work exactly the way you want. Whether you want to change the theme, adjust the fonts, or clean up the toolbar, this is one of the easiest ways to make Edge more personal and more efficient. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu, and it gives you access to a lot of the browser's customization options. From here, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for Appearance in the left-hand menu. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to scroll through the options. Appearance is where Edge keeps most of the visual customization settings, so this is the section you'll use to change the overall look of your browser. Once you open Appearance, you'll start to see different ways to personalize Edge. One of the first things you can change is the theme. Microsoft Edge usually gives you options like light, dark, or custom. If you prefer a bright and clean look, the light theme is a great choice. If you use your browser at night or want something easier on the eyes, the dark theme can be much more comfortable. And if you want more control, the custom option lets you mix and match settings to fit your style. After choosing a theme, you can also adjust fonts. This is especially useful if you want text to look sharper, larger, or easier to read. In the appearance settings, look for font customization options and use the available controls to make the browser more readable for your workflow. Small changes like this can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time reading articles, managing documents, or browsing for work. Next, take a look at the toolbar icons. Microsoft Edge lets you choose which icons appear in the top bar so you can keep the browser clean and uncluttered. If there are buttons you never use, you can turn them off. If there are features you use often, you can make sure they stay visible. This is a great way to reduce distractions and keep the browser focused on the tools that matter most to you. As you go through these settings, remember that the goal is not just to make Edge look different, but to make it more useful for your own habits. Some people like a minimal setup with fewer icons and a simple theme. Others prefer a more advanced layout with quick access buttons and larger text. There's no single correct setup here. The best customization is the one that makes your browsing experience smoother. If you ever want to undo something, that's easy too. You can always come back into settings, open appearance again, and change everything back or try a different style. That means you can experiment without worrying about permanently messing anything up. It's a safe and flexible way to personalize your browser. So to quickly recap, you customize Microsoft Edge by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, opening settings, going to appearance, and then adjusting things like themes, fonts, and toolbar icons. In just a few clicks, you can make Edge feel much more comfortable and much more tailored to your needs. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful software guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.